Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a PDF viewer to Framer. To begin, open your Framer project. If you're following along with the same setup, open the Sensible Fruit project in Framer. Once your canvas is visible, we'll add a component that can display a PDF right on the page. Look toward the interface and click Insert. This opens Framer's component library and search, which is the quickest way to add elements without digging through menus. In the search field, type Embed. The Embed component is perfect for showing external content inside your design, including PDFs hosted online. It works by loading a URL directly into your layout. Next, click and drag the Embed component onto your canvas. Drop it where you want the PDF to appear, inside the correct frame or section of your layout. Resize the embed so it's large enough for comfortable reading. A taller frame usually gives a better experience for multi-page documents. If your project is responsive, align the embed within your layout grid so it scales nicely across breakpoints. Now prepare your PDF link. Copy the URL of the PDF you want to show. For best results, use a direct link that points to the actual .pdf file and make sure it's publicly accessible over a secure connection. If your PDF is hosted on a storage service, ensure the share settings allow anyone with a link to view it. Some services generate preview pages rather than direct file links, so choose the option that provides a true file URL. Return to Framer and double-click the embed on your canvas to focus it. On the right-hand side in the Properties panel, you'll see a field labeled URL. This is where the content source is defined. Paste your PDF's URL into the URL field. Framer will load the document inside the embed. Give it a moment to render, then adjust the embed size if the content feels cramped. If your PDF has many pages, consider increasing the height so users can scroll comfortably. Preview your page to verify scrolling works smoothly and the text remains crisp. If the PDF doesn't load, double-check that the link is correct, publicly viewable, and uses HTTPS. That's it. You've added a PDF viewer to your Framer project using the embed component. With a reliable link and thoughtful sizing, your document will feel integrated, readable, and easy to navigate within your design.